Tesla Sentry mode is a security feature that uses your car's cameras to record potential incidents when it's parked and locked. When activated, it monitors the surroundings for movement, loud noises, or proximity threats. If something is detected, Sentry mode records video clips of the event. This feature is now standard on most Model 3 2021 Plus and Model Y 2020 Plus vehicles. The goal is to deter theft and vandalism and provide evidence if an incident occurs. You can view Sentry mode clips directly on your Tesla's touchscreen. Navigate to Controls, then Safety and Security, and finally Sentry mode. From there, select View Clips to browse the saved events. Clips are time-stamped for easy navigation. Long pressing on a clip will show more details, like what triggered the recording. For example, motion near driver's side. You can play, pause, and delete clips from this interface. This method requires you to be physically in the car. The Tesla mobile app, version 4.25 or later, offers a convenient way to view Sentry mode footage remotely from anywhere. First, open the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone and select your vehicle from the list. Next, tap on the Security section, then select Sentry mode to access the feature settings. Finally, choose View Clips to browse and play your saved Sentry mode footage. Clips automatically upload to the app when your car connects to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once uploaded, you can stream clips in real time or download them for offline viewing on your device. Note that a strong internet connection is required for streaming. If your car isn't online, you'll need to access the clips directly from the vehicle's touchscreen. Tesla has implemented end-to-end encryption for Sentry mode clips to protect user privacy. This ensures that footage is secure from the moment it's recorded until it's viewed only by authorized users. Accessing these encrypted clips requires user authentication, such as entering a PIN or using biometric verification on the touchscreen or mobile app. As of 2025, Sentry mode is fully compliant with major privacy regulations, including GDPR in Europe and CCPA in California. This means your data is handled according to strict privacy standards. Furthermore, Tesla ensures that your Sentry mode data is never shared with third parties without your explicit consent, giving you full control over your privacy. Overall, these privacy measures show Tesla's strong commitment to protecting user data and addressing concerns related to vehicle security footage. If you're having trouble viewing Sentry mode clips, first ensure that Sentry mode is enabled in the car's settings. Check your internet connection if using the mobile app. If clips aren't uploading, verify that your car is connected to Wi-Fi or has an active cellular connection. For persistent issues, try restarting the Tesla touchscreen. Make sure you have the latest version of the Tesla app installed. You can customize Sentry mode sensitivity to reduce false positives, such as ignoring wildlife or routine traffic. Access the Sentry mode settings in the Safety and Security menu on your car's touchscreen. Experiment with the sensitivity levels to find the right balance for your environment. Be aware that excessive sensitivity can drain the battery more quickly. Sentry mode continues to evolve with advancements in AI and connectivity. Future updates may include full cloud storage for indefinite retention of clips. Integration with smart home devices will enable automated alerts when suspicious activity is detected. Enhanced AI-driven anomaly detection will improve accuracy in identifying real threats. As electric vehicle theft and vandalism continue to be major concerns, Sentry mode-like features will likely become even more commonplace in the automotive market. Keep an eye on Tesla software updates for the latest enhancements to Sentry mode.